How to fix Bandlab app login problem. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick troubleshooting step for you to be able to fix your Bandlab application is not letting you log in. Now the very first thing that you want to do is of course make sure that you have enough maximum signal bars on your internet, and if you're using your mobile data, make sure that you have decent amount of megabytes for you to be able to open up the Bandlab online. Next is open up your Google Play Store or where you downloaded the application. This is to make sure that you're currently using the latest version of Bandlab Music Making Studio app. If the update button is visible, just simply tap in it because it needs an updating. Now, your last resort is, of course, to reinstall the application, but before that, all I have to do is tap and hold on the Bandlab app, and then just choose on this eye icon right here that will redirect you into Bandlab app info. Scroll down, and then under usage, tap on storage, choose on clear data, and choose on clear cache. This will allow you to delete or remove all unnecessary crash files or crack files that you have on this application, and just simply try to relog in again. And that's it. Those are the things that you can do for you to be able to fix BandLab app login problem.